It is the most common item in your bathroom, but its creation is brutal. The journey of premium toilet paper starts deep in the wild forest. Giant heavy machines harvest millions of trees with brutal force. We need strong pine for durability and soft eucalyptus for comfort. Huge trucks carry thousands of tons of raw wood to the mega factory. This is where the extreme industrial transformation begins. Massive steel drums spin violently to rip the tough bark off the wood. Giant steel blades chop the solid logs into millions of tiny wood chips. Mountains of raw wood chips wait for the intense chemical bath. The wood chips enter a colossal industrial pressure cooker. Extreme heat and powerful chemicals boil the wood under massive pressure. The solid wood melts into a thick, dark brown soup called pulp. The chemicals melt the glue in the wood, leaving only pure cellulose fibers. The brown pulp is washed aggressively in giant steel vats. The dark chemical waste is drained away and burned for factory fuel. Now, we must turn this dirty brown wood perfectly bright white. Powerful bleaching agents are injected directly into the fiber mix. The dark sludge instantly transforms into a pure, clean, white paste.
We add millions of gallons of fresh water to the white pulp.
The mix is now 99% water. It is ready for the massive machine. The watery mix enters one of the largest manufacturing machines on Earth. The liquid is sprayed onto a fast-moving, endless wire mesh belt. Gravity pulls the water down. A flat sheet of wet fibers is left behind. The massive machine runs at an extreme speed of 60 miles per hour. Colossal steel rollers squeeze out the water under heavy crushing pressure.
The pure wood fibers lock together. It is finally a real sheet of paper.
But it is still wet. It hits the Yankee dryer, a massive steel drum. Boiling steam inside heats the metal drum to extreme, burning temperatures. The wet paper hits the hot steel and dries in a fraction of a second. But flat paper is hard and stiff. We need it to be incredibly soft. A razor-sharp steel blade violently scrapes the dried paper off the hot metal. This brutal scraping crinkles the fibers. It is an industrial secret called creping. Creping creates tiny air pockets. This makes the paper highly absorbent and soft. High-tech laser sensors scan the paper for perfect thickness and moisture levels. The ultra-soft paper is rapidly wound onto a massive steel core. This creates a jumbo roll. It weighs over 5 metric tons.
A single roll holds miles of paper. It is almost as tall as a house.
Robotic vehicles transport the giant rolls to the final finishing area.
fleet. Thousands of tons of raw paper wait for the final brutal cuts.
The colossal roll is locked into the high-speed converting line. The giant roll unwinds at terrifying speeds into the converting machine.
Most premium paper uses 2 layers. They are merged together for extra strength.
Heavy steel rollers crush geometric patterns directly into the soft paper.
This is called embossing. It traps air to make the paper thicker and stronger.
Meanwhile, thick brown cardboard is twisted into a solid central tube.
A cutting machine slices the long cardboard tube into small pieces to make the center cores.
A precise line of glue is fired onto the core to lock the paper in place. The machine wraps the paper tightly around the core to form a massive paper log. A tiny drop of glue seals the final edge so it does not unroll. Hundreds of long paper logs roll down the massive industrial line.
Now they face the most dangerous machine, the high-speed orbital saw.
The giant blade slices the long logs into individual, perfectly sized rolls. The blade is so fast it sharpens itself with flying sparks while it cuts.
Smart cameras scan every single roll. Defective ones are violently rejected.
Automated robotic arms group the rolls and wrap them in tough plastic. Extreme heat shrinks the plastic tight. The package is now fully secure. Heavy-duty robots stack thousands of packages onto wooden pallets in seconds. The massive towers are wrapped in thick plastic for the final journey. Fleets of heavy trucks carry millions of rolls to stores around the world. From the wild forest to extreme engineering. This is ManufactraX.